The DJI Mini 4 has just been released, and as many of you are probably really interested to know, is this a good drone? I was thinking, should I upgrade from the Mini 3 Pro to the Mini 4 Pro? And the answer is a plain no, I'm not going to upgrade. And I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I'm not going to upgrade. Hi everyone, Stephen from the Flyby Guys. It's good to see you again, and we're talking about the Mini 4 Pro that's just been released. Now the Mini 3 Pro is a great drone. It's a wonderful piece of kit and great value for money. But with the Mini 4 just being released, 5 reasons why I am not going to buy this drone, and this might make some of you think about if you're going to actually, if going to get this drone, and should you not. I personally think no, but it's entirely up to you. But I'm going to give you my 5 reasons why I'm not going to upgrade. So number 1 is the increased video resolution. So now we will have 60 frames per second on the Mini 4 Pro. Now, most people, even myself, we fly in 30 frames per second. 60 frames per second is something that you can do if you want. I don't know anyone who actually does. It's an option for you. Could they upgrade the Mini 3 Pro to do that? Maybe they could. I don't know. I've seen some upgrades where that could have been possible, but is it worthy of the Mini 4 Pro? I don't think so. Number 2, better slow motion. I've never used slow motion in my life on these drones. I've been flying drones for years and never used slow motion, and I don't actually intend to. So slow motion is not an option for me, and certainly not a reason why I will be upgrading to the Mini 4 Pro. Number 3, more colours. Now this is a contentious one because a lot of people are getting excited about D-Log and the fact that the Mini 4 Pro will have D-Log. Why don't they upgrade the Mini 3 Pro to have D-Log? Because they just upgraded the Mavic 3 Pro, and they upgraded the middle camera on the Mavic 3 Pro to have D-Log. So why can't they upgrade this camera to have D-Log? It's the same camera that's on here as is on the Mavic 3 Pro that they upgraded. So why can't they upgrade just the software upgrade to do the D-Log? I wonder. Yeah, let's make people get excited so they have to buy a Mini 4 Pro. Sorry, that's not a reason why. I think that's a bit bad from DJI in order to say that you have to have a new drone, because this could quite easily be upgraded to have D-Log. Number 4, higher quality video transmission. Now, I really don't care about the video transmission. Honestly, I don't, because I don't do that much with the drone in order to actually care about the transmission. I don't fly far. I keep my drone within visual line of sight, as you should do too, of course. But does the video transmission really make a difference in order for you to buy a new Mini 4 Pro? Personally, for me, no, not at all. Number 5. Omnidirectional sensing. For all the drones that I fly, I turn off the sensing. I never have the sensing on. I've never used the sensors. That's just me personally. That's just my own thing. And I know many of you out there also do the same. So to highlight this as probably the only major hardware upgrade on this drone, I don't think is worthy of the Mini 4 upgrade, personally myself. So those are the 5 reasons as to why I will not be upgrading to the Mini 4 Pro, and I think that it's a bad move from DJI. You can still use the same batteries, of course, so if you are going to upgrade, then okay, but I mean, is it really necessary? Is it really necessary? I would honestly rather spend that kind of money on another decent camera. We have way too many, I would think, even Mavic 3s, Mavic 3 Pros. I would love to have a Mavic, sort of Mini 4 Pro just to try out, but it's not something that I'm excited about, and it's certainly not going to change my workflow and anything that I do, or will change the quality of the work that I do. So therefore, it's not a purchase that I will be making. But anyway, are you going to buy a Mini 4 Pro? Have you got one? Or please let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, fly safe.